The Zojirushi Fresh Brew stainless steel thermal carafe coffee maker is easy to use and maintain. To brew, place coffee grounds in a paper filter and place in the filter basket. Move the spray nozzle over and fill the water reservoir. Watch the red ball to see how much water you filled. Close the lid. To set up the clock, simply use the hour and minute buttons here. Notice the PM light. Press on to begin brewing. It will take about 8 minutes to brew 10 cups of coffee. Coffee is ready when this operation light turns off. To use the timer, first make sure that the clock is set up correctly. Then hold the program button while you change the time. The time that appears in the display while holding the program button is the time the coffee maker will begin brewing. Press the auto button to complete the timer setup. If the auto button is not pressed, the coffee maker will not brew even when the time comes. If brewing consecutively, allow the coffee maker to cool for 10 to 20 minutes before brewing the next pot. Preheat the carafe for better heat retention. Brewing coffee in a cold carafe will reduce the temperature of the coffee immediately. Preheat the carafe by pouring in hot water and allowing it to warm for a few minutes before brewing. Don't forget to throw the water out or your coffee may overflow.